because I didn't do anything.
That is Florida teacher Mackenzie McLean, handcuffed, protesting, and about to hear the charges that could end her career. She is accused of sexually assaulting a homeless student after giving him a dozen shots of gin. And now we have the body cam, the affidavit, and the incriminating text messages where she admits, quote, "I just give in when someone else initiates." We're on the case presented by Law and Crime. I'm Chris Stewart. Hey guys, real quick, I want to tell you about this app. You're going to love it. It's called Upside. It gets you cash back. We're talking extra cash on everyday purchases like gas, groceries, and takeout. So here's what you do. You download Upside for free, claim an offer from one of their 100,000 plus locations, then pay like you typically would with your card, then verify the purchase, and you get money back. So I use it when I need to get gas. Maybe I'm doing takeout one night. You search for Upside offers first. Then after I spend, money appears in my app. Then I transfer it straight to my bank. Upside's frequent users earn an average of $254 back a year. So to start getting your cash back, click the link in the description or scan the QR code and use promo code OTC to get an extra 25 cents bonus on every gallon on your first tank of gas.
I didn't do anything. Oh, that hurts.
That is 49-year-old teacher Mackenzie McLean. She's handcuffed outside her Florida home and she's pleading her innocence to deputies. But investigators say they have the proof. The Crooms Academy economics instructor is accused of sexually assaulting an 18-year-old student after reportedly giving him a dozen shots of gin. And even worse, police say she let him move into her home when he had nowhere else to go.
What is the warrant specifically for?
4 or 5 years chilling, right, you guys?
They asked me a bunch of questions about a bunch of things. None of them.
Yeah, I'll tell you what the warrant's for. It says no bond until first appearance. Sex offense by an authority figure. Sex offense by authority figure. So it's like 2 different counts of sex offense by authority figure and distribution of controlled substance.
Which I didn't do.
But wait until you hear what she allegedly texted the victim. This is all according to an arrest affidavit from the Seminole County Sheriff. Quote, "I'm well aware that I'm the adult. I just give in when someone else initiates." Now, here's what police say really happened. So let's go back to March 2024. A teenager, and we're not using his name, was a student at Crooms Academy in Sanford, Florida. Police say he was 18 years old. He was finishing up his senior year, and he was in a tough spot because he had been kicked out of his home and he had nowhere else to go. Now, according to the affidavit filed by Seminole County deputies, that student was friends with the daughter of his economics teacher, Mackenzie McLean. And he'd been to the McLean home before, so when he needed a place to stay, McLean allegedly cleaned out a bedroom and let him move in. Now, here's the thing. Investigators say McLean's own daughter didn't even have her own room at the time, and she was sleeping in an elderly family member's bedroom. But the student, he got a room. And according to the victim, it didn't take long for things to take a turn. He allegedly told detectives that shortly after moving in, McLean started making sexual advances towards him. Then came one night in particular that changed everything. The student, McLean, and her daughter were all in his bedroom, reportedly playing video games. McLean allegedly started pouring alcohol. The affidavit says that she gave him approximately 12 shots of gin. He became severely intoxicated. Then, according to the victim, McLean yelled at her daughter to leave the room. And once they were alone, he says that McLean allegedly straddled him, pulled his jogging pants down, and sexually assaulted him. The student told investigators that it only lasted a short time because he pushed her off and told her it was wrong. But that was not allegedly the end. The victim says the sexual contact continued. He estimated it happened 5 to 10 times over the next 2 months. And all of this happening while McLean was still his teacher. Now, when detectives asked him why he stayed, he got emotional. He started crying, and he told them that he felt like he had no other choice. If he didn't go along with it, he'd be back on the street. The relationship finally came to light in December of 2024 when the student moved out. A friend who came with him to speak with detectives told investigators that on the night he left, McLean was screaming and allegedly cutting herself with a knife. The same friend also shared text messages that investigators say were sent by the teacher, McLean. And in those messages, she allegedly acknowledged the relationship. At one point, she reportedly writes, quote, "I'm well aware that I'm the adult. I just give in when someone else initiates." In February of this year, a judge signed off on an arrest warrant, and on February 17th, deputies showed up at McLean's home in Lake Mary.
Because I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
I don't know. You probably didn't hear, but she's 29 feet.
I don't know what that means. What does that mean?
Will
Yeah,
you guys be able to? Can you be able to transport and take care of that?
Yeah.
That'd be great.
Anything.
So, Mackenzie, you do have a warrant.
Oh my God.
Yes, you are going to be going to jail. So,
What is the warrant about?
right now?
Yes.
Okay. What key is for the door?
This one. Why?
Well, just to make sure that we secure the file.
Let me do
Yeah.
that, please.
So
Can I?
we're-
No,
we're
wait,
gonna-
stop.
we're gonna
Wait,
hands-on
stop,
with
stop,
this.
stop. Please, I don't want my
So-
dog to escape. Please, I don't want my dog to escape. I don't want my dog to escape. I don't want my
Just
dog
have
to
us.
escape.
Just talk to us.
I don't want you to go
Just
in my
talk to us.
house.
Tell us what you want us to do. Okay.
I don't want my dog to escape. I don't want my dog to escape. He'll run, and I don't want him to get hurt.
Who can check on your dog while you're at the jail?
Nobody.
Nobody.
I don't want my dog to escape. I don't want to put my stuff inside. I don't want to leave my stuff outside.
Is there a bond amount? Do you know?
No, there's no bond.
Okay.
I didn't do anything.
She can kind of just direct him in there, and he can.
Oh, that hurts. That hurts. That
Yeah,
hurts.
so that's fine. That's all right. I don't know.
I didn't
She also has a VR headset that belongs to somebody.
Yeah, it's
that's
right by
just
the
outside
door.
She's gonna. If we can walk her up there and maybe.
It hurts.
Yeah, we'll walk her over here. All right, let me see what you got. So as long as we can stick a finger in between the side of the wrist.
Right away, McLean's focus shifts from the warrant to her dogs inside the house. She's handcuffed, she's standing in her driveway, and desperately trying to figure out how to keep them from getting out. Deputies try to come up with a plan, but getting inside with her in cuffs, it's complicated.
And then,
Spencer, do you mind opening the door?
Sure.
She's just going to direct you guys to where the VR headset is.
so you say you have a little dog, just one dog?
I have two dogs.
Two dogs?
They don't bite, but he has anxiety. So you kind of have to like block the door. You kind of have to block the door with your body and like scooch in. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Because he will, if
sneak
you
out.
try to come out,
Yeah.
like let the screen door like close behind you.
I have a feeling that'd be worse with trying to do this with two doors than just handling one door.
No, it's
We can keep the dog from.
Yeah,
he
What kind of dog?
he's a mutt.
because I have a dog and two cats, and we have to do the same thing in my house.
No, because you have to
When
let
we
the
walk in.
door close behind
That's what I'm
you.
saying. Having two doors would be more difficult than just doing with the one door. So we're gonna walk in. Who's in the house with you?
Nobody.
Okay.
I live at
And
home.
you're okay with us walking in?
Not really.
So what do you want us to do in here?
Can I just do it? Can you just open it and I'll just do it?
What are you trying to do?
Get the Oculus and put my bag inside.
Yeah, ma'am, we're going to set the bag inside and we're just going to get the VR headset.
Can I just do that?
Well, you're handcuffed right now. So
Right.
We need a deputy to escort you inside so you can pick up the VR headset and come back out here. Are you okay with that?
Is that all you're gonna do?
That's all that's going to happen. That's it.
I mean, I don't have anything interesting in my house.
You don't care about
Okay,
anything else. You just
No.
want-
I don't have anything. I just really am worried about my dog.
Right. In order to make sure the dog doesn't run out, we're gonna have to come in your house and probably push the door closed a little bit. But obviously we can't let you than the doorway. But we're obviously not gonna let you go in the house and close the door. So
You're right there.
does that make
I
sense?
just don't want him to escape.
Okay.
He doesn't listen, and he has anxiety. So just tell him to back up. Like you have to open it.
You
Just
can talk to him.
Yeah, well, you have to do it while you're going in. So you have to
Quickly,
open the door and like block it because he's gonna be right there.
Okay. So go
And-
ahead. You do it.
Serious, back up. Back up. Back up. Oh, God, I can't. Stop
Yeah,
it.
go
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
The screen door swings open, and just like McLean feared, her dog takes off. And that dog goes into a neighborhood, and McLean, still handcuffed, can only watch.
No, no. Oh,
We'll get him. Don't worry.
oh no. No, no,
We'll get him. Don't worry.
no.
Come here, buddy.
He's not gonna do that.
Come here.
If you open a car door, he might jump in.
He likes cars. Come here, bud. Do you want us to take the handcuffs off you so you can try to get the dog?
Yeah. He runs. Serious? Yeah.
Try to get the dog, okay? You understand it's just situation.
Come here. I know, there's a lot of people, baby.
Just don't try to chase him, because then he will run.
Yeah. Sirius, come here. He's gonna run anyway. He likes to run. Sirius.
Here, grab these for a second.
There he goes. Sirius.
You have any treats in the house?
No. Yeah, but he won't come for
He
them.
won't come from. How do you usually get him back inside?
He hasn't gotten out in a long time.
Oh, okay.
Usually I have to trick him.
To get back in.
Or if
Try to grab
someone's
him.
here,
Yeah.
like he'll get in the car.
Okay. Come here, buddy.
He likes cars.
Come here. Come here. He's like, I don't want to go in that car. Come here, buddy.
Serious, you wanna go for a ride? Serious, you wanna go for a ride? Come here, you wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a ride? Come on, baby.
This way.
For the next several minutes, the arrest actually takes a back seat to this dog chase through a cul-de-sac. Deputies fan out, McLean calls out, and slowly they manage to get the dog back to the house.
Yeah, that's all right. We'll figure it out. It's not the end of the world. We'll figure it out. Come here, buddy.
Where did we get the car?
Come here. That's the good thing about a cul-de-sac. Not many people come down here. So.
Well, he likes to run that way.
Yeah.
He's right here. He's gonna go through that.
Serious, come here. Serious, come here. You want to go to a car? You want to go for a car ride? Do you want to go for a car ride?
So close.
No.
If a car comes by, he's going to take it.
If we grab his collar, will he bite?
No, he doesn't bite.
He doesn't bite?
He has anxiety, but he doesn't bite.
Okay.
He likes that.
Just keep your eye on her. Cause she... You want to follow him? Yeah. Come here. Come here. Try to close them in. There. I hear you. I hear you.
Maybe if y'all walk
Towards the door.
That's why I didn't want to see your. Come on, let's go now. Serious, come on.
All right, we're going inside. Inside, let's go. Come on. Inside.
Serious. Come on.
A little sticky. Come on. Let's go. Serious. Come here. He's like, I don't care about that stick. Come here, buddy. What else does he like?
He likes to run.
Yeah.
And he likes snuggles. Right,
Snuggles.
He's a simple dog.
Inside. Let's go inside. Come on. Come on. Do you like plastic bottles like my dog? I'm sure you do.
No.
My dog loves plastic freaking bottles. I don't know why.
Come here, baby.
Almost.
Now, once the dogs are finally secured inside, the focus shifts back to the arrest. Deputies recuff McLean, and they start walking her through the next step, securing her belongings, getting phone numbers, and preparing her for transport.
I think I'd rather him have gotten out than getting squished between the doors. So.
Well, no, you have to, squish him,
Gently.
yeah. No, you block it with your body.
Well, that's probably going to be going, well, whatever you want to say.
Let me see.
So we're just doing the transport. We don't know your charges or anything like that, okay? Outside
No,
of
you're
your-
fine.
your
I
seatbelt
didn't
warrant, but what I suggest
Take this.
when you have them interlock their fingers
Yeah.
is that
Oh,
their
probably
hands. So
'cause it's a
have
knife.
you been taught to do outside like that, palms out?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
And then
As long as they're both going the same
You
direction.
can just put the little
So
knife
palms
in the
out's fine
mailbox
or
right there.
palms in fine, but don't do like a mixture because
Right.
it's uncomfortable. So.
Yep.
Oh, and actually,
Okay.
I should have taken it out of my pocket before, but in my pocket is it's nothing dangerous. It's a thing that holds urine balls, but there's just no reason for me to.
So make sure you stick a finger in there. Like this one might be a little bit.
That's better. That's the only thing on here. So,
Yeah.
This one's a little looser,
Yeah.
but that's fine.
yeah, I'll keep that.
As long as the hands can't slip through.
Oh, right there.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
okay.
Double locked.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so
What?
we're gonna go with
And the front door's locked.
Yeah. So your phone. Are there any phone numbers out of here that you want me to write down on a piece of paper?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Just give me like a couple that you might need, and some people that you might want to call. Like, is your like a parent, a friend?
Or an next of kin.
No.
Who do you live here with?
Me?
By yourself?
Oh, my daughter's in college.
Okay. Do you want to add her as one of the numbers?
I know her name.
Okay.
How about any other next of kin in the area? Is this what you were talking about?
Oh yeah. Can you use that in my box too? It's like a thing that holds like the balls of an earring to screw them on because I dropped one in my ear the other day.
In your
Heard-
ear.
Yeah, it was bad.
Oh, okay.
The ball rolled all the way down in.
Oof.
I know.
That would suck.
It was awful.
If not, I mean, you could just use Emma, and then I guess you can call Emma and.
Or somebody to come check on the dogs and the animals too.
Because you probably will get a bond at first appearance, but first appearance, if depending on, I don't know if they're going to do it today or if it'll be tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon.
If you get there quick enough,
I think if they get there quick enough, they may get you in today, which would be like 1:30.
I don't know how any of this.
Okay.
I've never done
They'll
anything.
explain the
I don't
process.
do
The
anything.
warrant
They'll
has a
explain the
no
process.
bond. This is what I'm telling you, but so it has to be set by the
I'm
first
like-
appearance judge.
The most boring
You gotta
person.
put it
Yeah. Tashika is in my phone.
D or T?
Toshica. Well, I don't know if I want to. I don't want to talk to anybody. I don't know. She's one of the pinned contacts.
All right. What's your passcode?
I'm not supposed to give that to people.
Okay.
I don't know. It's 2441. I don't know. There's nothing interesting in my phone anyway.
Okay. So Tashika.
Yeah. Click the messages,
Mm-hmm.
and it says Tashika Bell.
Yep.
And then
I butchered that. Okay. So.
Info. Where it says info. Oh, it's already on info. Sorry, they updated. I don't know.
I don't see a phone number though.
Oh, weird.
Maybe showing contacts.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else?
Can I text my daughter or anything?
You'll be able to call your daughter once you get up there. So they'll let you take a piece of paper in.
Okay.
So just fold this up and you can slide that into your pocket.
We'll just put it
They
with,
can-
yeah,
they can
we'll bring it
give
with
it
us.
to you.
Because we don't have to pat you down and stuff.
Nope, you dropped the pen.
Thank you. Okay.
With the dogs inside and her personal information collected, McLean realizes that something else is about to be taken from her, her phone. And for her, that's a huge problem.
You have my phone too?
I just have your
Where's
keys.
my phone?
I believe.
Wait, can I have my phone back?
They're going with them.
No, you didn't. Is that what you said? Wait, what am I supposed to do without my phone?
You're gonna have to get another phone.
I can't get another phone. I can't afford that. I have no money.
Well, this is evidence in the criminal
I need
case.
my phone.
I understand.
I can't talk to anybody. I can't contact anybody. Wait, no. What am I supposed to do?
Ma'am, I understand it's frustrating, but you're gonna have to you'll have to figure it out. But this is gonna be evidence in the case.
You might just have to get a what do they call them?
All
I
right.
have no money, and all my money's on my phone too.
They have the cheap phone, so you can get.
But, oh my God.
Here, stand in front of the car, please.
Okay.
So you're gonna do a search, okay? But you're not. Obviously, it's a woman, so
Right.
I'm turning the cameras on. And then what was your first name? Mackenzie. Mackenzie, do you know your driver's license number?
I don't have a driver's license.
You don't have a driver's license at all? Do you know a number associated with your name in Florida?
Yeah, but I have no idea what the number is.
Okay, no problem. So you're gonna tell them on the radio that you have a 1015. Mackenzie.
Yeah.
What's your middle initial?
L.
And what's your last name?
McLean. McLean.
MC
Lean.
McLean?
Yeah.
Okay,
McLean.
McLean. And what's your date of birth?
4976.
So start your process.
Yeah.
Is your middle name Lane?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do have a warrant. So
That's what he said. What is the warrant specifically for?
4 or 5 years stealing, right, you guys?
They asked me a bunch of questions about a bunch of things. None of them.
yeah, I'll tell you what your warrant's for. It says no bond until first appearance. Sex offense by an authority figure. Sex offense by authority figure. So it's like 2 different counts of sex offense by authority figure and distribution of controlled substance.
Which I didn't do.
And of course, we don't know anything about it.
I
We
know
just
you
know.
don't. It's okay.
The warrant.
I gave my
Yeah, the warrant was
daughter's
entered
friend
yesterday.
Adderall, but
Okay.
I don't have Adderall.
The warrant was issued yesterday, so it's still valid, and it is out of Seminole County. So, all right. And just before you get in the car, we got to take your necklace off.
There's 2 necklaces.
Okay.
It has a push button.
Okay. You see a push button?
Yeah, it's like a weird clasp.
Okay. You push it down there in the middle. Probably got to push it in while you're doing it. Yeah. Is that reason being that's a sharp item?
One.
No, it's
No,
2
that's just the
necklaces.
one.
Okay.
Sorry, it's in my hair. Is there any way I could put my hair up real quick?
I don't know if you'll be able to do it.
Well, I mean, could you take at least one of the things off so I can put my hair up really quick?
Unfortunately, no.
Okay.
As deputies finish securing her belongings, one of them offers McLean a quiet word of reassurance, trying to separate the person from the charges. But it appears that McLean already knows the truth.
Just because you're getting arrested this time doesn't make you a criminal. So just know that. Okay.
Yeah, but it will destroy my life.
It can if the charges stick on it.
No, even if they don't, because I'm a teacher. It will.
What do you teach?
I teach history and economics.
Okay. All right. You ready to check the pockets and everything? Pull them out?
I don't have
Okay.
anything.
All right. You can have a seat in the car.
Okay.
I usually tell people sitting sideways is easier.
This really
Yeah,
hurts.
that doesn't help. So sitting sideways is usually the
Oh
easiest.
my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh no, that really hurts.
Either.
I think my arm. I think my wrist twisted, like the thing.
Okay.
I don't know what to do. This hurts.
Turn back this way. Take your time. Take your time.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Okay. Then I'm going to reach for.
Okay.
Is it on?
Just the lower one, whichever one you choose doesn't matter.
Just gonna slide it. Nice. Okay.
All right. It's only about a 15-minute drive. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You want the window cracked? Okay. All right. Grab the keys and this paperwork here.
Okay.
And with that, the door closes. Mackenzie McLean, history and economics teacher, a mom, and now a felony defendant, is on her way to jail. The body cam video shows Mackenzie McLean denying everything, but the affidavit, the sworn statement from the Seminole County Sheriff's Office, tells a very different story. So, as we told you, that student moved into McLean's home in March of 2024 after he was kicked out of a house and he had nowhere else to go. McLean was his economics teacher. She was also the mom of his friend, and for a while, it probably looked like a teacher helping a child in need. But according to the victim, it was not long before things took a turn. Now, here's what the affidavit allegedly says. Quote, shortly after the victim moved into Mackenzie McLean's home, she began making sexual advances toward him. Then came one specific night. The victim, McLean, and her daughter were in his bedroom playing a video game. According to the affidavit, quote, Mackenzie McLean provided the victim with approximately 12 shots of gin. The affidavit says that McLean then yelled at her daughter to leave the room. And once they were alone, quote, Mackenzie McLean straddled the victim and pulled his jogging pants down around his upper thighs. And the rest of that affidavit, it is far too graphic for us to get into, but essentially the victim alleges that McLean sexually assaulted him at this point. The victim told investigators that it only lasted a short time. Quote, victim said this went on for a very short time, at which time the victim pushed Mackenzie McLean off. But that was not the end, allegedly. According to the affidavit, the sexual contact continued for months. The relationship finally came to light in December 2024 when the victim moved out. He was not alone. When he went to speak with detectives, he brought a friend with him, and that friend turned out to be the key to this investigation. According to the affidavit, the friend, a young woman, told detectives that she had known about the alleged sexual relationship between McLean and the victim, but more than that, she had text messages. And in one exchange, the victim had apparently confronted McLean about what was happening between them, and the friend knew about it. And McLean knew the friend knew. So McLean texted her, quote, why would he even think that? I'm well aware that I'm the adult, and so I intentionally never initiated anything because I didn't want to make him feel any kind of way. But then she reportedly added, quote, the rest is because I just give in when someone else initiates, end quote. In another message, she allegedly acknowledged the pattern, saying, quote, I told myself each time it wouldn't happen again, and I would say no, but then I let it happen again. Just a reminder, this is a teacher talking about a student. That same friend also told detectives that McLean had allegedly given her Adderall, which is why investigators added distribution of a controlled substance to the warrant. Now, what the affidavit doesn't make clear is exactly how or why McLean and this friend were texting in the first place. Whether the friend reached out to McLean or McLean texted her unprompted, that's not really spelled out. What we do know is that the friend turned over those messages and investigators used them as part of their case. And as for where things stand right now, well, McLean was booked into the Seminole County Jail on February 17th, and she faced a judge for the first time shortly after. Her bond was set at $35,000. She has posted that bond and she is currently out of custody. The Seminole County School District says that she has been placed on administrative leave effective immediately. And according to court records, her next court date is scheduled for March 31st. That will do it for On the Case, presented by Law and Crime. Subscribe to us on YouTube and Spotify, and you can also now catch us on Peacock. We're streaming there. I'm Chris Stewart. We'll see you next time.